Do you want to have a lot of money and work a lot? Or feel happy and relaxed? Success or happiness? What's really more important? Many people chase success, money, careers, recognition. Others chase happiness, peace, love, and simple joys. But can you have both? Success might mean a large house or an important job. Happiness could be a quiet morning with coffee or a walk with a friend. Both sound nice, but they don't always go together. Success brings power, respect, and opportunities, but it often comes with stress, pressure, and long hours. Happiness brings peace of mind, health, and strong relationships. But sometimes, it means giving up big dreams or wealth. Life is a balance. Some find joy in achievement. Others find it in moments that don't earn a trophy. Success might mean working late to finish a big project. You feel proud when people clap for your work. But you might miss time with family, or feel tired all the time. Happiness could mean playing games with your kids or watching a sunset. Those moments make you smile, but they might not make you rich. Some people love the energy of winning. Others feel alive in small, quiet moments, like reading a book. So ask yourself, what makes your heart feel full? The excitement of success, or the comfort of happiness? Maybe the answer is not choosing one, but making your own balance. Think about a life where you work hard, but also rest. You might have a job you love and time to laugh with friends. What mix of success and happiness feels right for you? Practice your speaking. Answer the next question out loud and leave your answer in the comments. Short answers are okay. What's more important to you right now? Success or happiness? Tell us why.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe to see more stories like this in the future.